Bro, in this video, I'm about to show and tell you all about the crazy world of retail arbitrage. Now, in simple, retail arbitrage is the practice of going to source products from local department stores, local retailers, maybe on clearance, maybe on sale, identifying if those products are selling fast in the aftermarket, and then reselling them for a profit. And remember, I told you I'm gonna show and tell in this video, right? I'm gonna show you where I've gone in and bought items like Oreos, bro, that are selling for almost triple or double online right now. But before I do that, what's up? My name is Rico. I make a video every day about how to make money online, different side hustles. First, I need you to comment what city and state you're in. I'm making an interactive map so that I can know what all parts in the world I've touched. And if I give you value by the end of this video, then give your boy a subscribe. Now, I've heard of retail arbitrage before. Honestly, I was really scared of that because the word arbitrage kind of intimidated me. I'm not gonna lie. So I always thought there was more to it than what I thought it was, and I was correct. Some people do it on eBay, some people do it on Amazon. Some people do both. I'm not even gonna hold you too long, bro. This is the fact of the matter. People are every day going into stores that you go into every day to grocery shop, get appliances, and do anything. And they're flipping those items for double the profit sometimes. But of course, the most important part of this is where you getting your information from. How do you know about these products? And I'm about to jump on the computer and show you. All right, so we are live in my cook group, Rico's Cooks. This is where I've been spending a lot of time lately, and this is usually a sneaker reselling channel. This is a sneaker reselling group, but what we've kind of been focusing on, like you see here, in-store flips, online flips, and everything like that. So I'm about to tell y'all a quick story. Boom. So we seen this come through, right? Retail $5, resale $14 to $22, right? And we're gonna go to eBay to verify that, because I want to give y'all live, accurate information. Boom. So y'all know how I show it. Y'all know how I search for this. I always kind of filter by sold. So we're going to go down here to sold, and you see, boom, that they're selling for a lot, right? They're selling for 20 bucks, 17 bucks, 15 bucks. If you look at some of these sellers have sold hundreds of units just within the last 2 weeks, right? So that's definitely something that I ultimately had to check out. All right, so we're grabbing these. These are limited edition, and these are reselling online. All right, now what you see here are called Squishmallows. They're actually Pokemon Squishmallows, and we got the ping on these maybe a couple of days ago, bro. And what this is a sort of a backdoor backstock UPC checker, because if you were to go online and try to find this on the Walmart app, they would not be available. You would not be able to see them. But I want to show you something interesting. All right, so what I'm showing y'all right now is the resale value of these two things. So you can see that on StockX, you can get both of those off. If you have the set, you can get them both off for $135. They're only $15 in Walmart's, in Targets, wherever you can find them at retail. But ultimately, they were safeguarding it, right? Once again, these aren't on the Walmart system. These aren't on the front end, at least, to where you could jump on the app, right? So what I did, thanks to the information from the group, was we had the UPC, and I just went in and I asked them, hey, do you have this product? Now, after talking to 30 different people acting like they didn't have a clue what I was talking about, I had actually gave up, right? Because I also grabbed some of those Oreos since we were there, and I had actually gave up. But we decided to ask the people at checkout, like, hey, we're looking for this product. We can't find it nowhere. Is there any way that it could be in the back? And so he tells us to go to electronics. We go in the back, ask them at electronics. They're acting real sketchy, ultimately lie to us and tell us that they're just now coming off the truck and that we can only get one of each. We both can't get one each. We can only get one of each, right? So on that first trip, we walked out with a Gengar, a Pikachu, and of course some of those Oreos, which they were not limiting. All right, so we came in, we got the Gengar and the Pikachu, but the only thing is that they're limiting how many you could buy here. Pretty much, I believe that they are backdooring this stock. That's just me being coming from the sneaker world. I'm suspicious of backdooring, and you know, they don't have these just readily available. We had to comb the store, ask about 60 employees where they at. So Yeah, man, we're gonna go to another store at one point. So just in the day, we've already cleared some profit, made some sales, gotta ship them out tomorrow. But I want to just show y'all just more types of things, like more things that you can do to start a retail arbitrage business, right? There were HP PCs that were heavily discounted, TVs that were regularly $800, $200 and something, right? So what I'm going to be doing is making a lot more content going here forward, where I'm actually going into those stores and checking this stuff out and flipping it online for profit, man. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. It's your boy Rico. Let's get it.